Mist your brush with water. Then load your brush by pulling it back and forth through the paint. Paint the outline of your superhero's eyes in white, like upside-down teardrops. Fill it in with white using your brush or a small sponge. Load the edge of a sponge with red paint. Gently tap it on the forehead in the shape of an upside-down triangle extending down to the bridge of the nose. Make a similar triangle shape on each side of the face. Very carefully tap the paint up close to the edges of the white. Take a large round brush and load it with black paint. Starting near the corner of the eye, outline the white shapes, starting with the tip of your brush to make a skinny line, then laying it down to make a fatter line, and then as you reach the top of the shape, bring it back to the tip of the brush. This will give you a nice thin to thick to thin line, which will help your design flow. Next, load your small round brush with black paint. Then, starting on one side, lay your brush down to make a teardrop, and then pull it up to make a thinner line. Do this several times. Repeat this on the other side of the face. Remember, the thinner ends of the lines should all point in the same direction. Now we want to make the web. Connect the lines with little arches. Repeat on the other side. Next, make 3 lines on the forehead toward the center of the face. Add arches to join the lines together in little U shapes. Your child will look super. Feel like adding more details? You can paint a small spider on the bridge of the nose. Paint a circle, then an oval, and 8 little legs, 4 pointing up and 4 pointing down.